Welcome back to our download tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will go over the standard startup process. Downloads are sent to you by your carriers either through your Ivans mailbox or directly through the utilization of a specific carrier utility. Ivans is an industry-wide mailbox provider who receives and holds the download files sent from most carriers. Each agency is typically set up with a single Ivans mailbox, which they then provide to all carriers who send through Ivans. If you do not currently have an Ivans account, you will normally contact your largest carrier who is listed on our carrier partners listing. If this carrier utilizes Ivans, they will assign you a new Ivans account. Normally, they would send you a form to fill out and submit that includes your management system details and which download options you desire. This is a good time to talk about initial loads. When you first sign up for download with a carrier, you may be offered an option of initial load. What this means is that the carrier will send you, in one large download, the entire current book of business. If you have no data in the management system at this time, this may be a great option for populating the clients with that particular carrier. However, if you have been running on the management system and manually entering your policies, this will duplicate the policies for that carrier. Once you have an Ivans mailbox assigned, you can provide that same mailbox to any other carriers sending through Ivans. Each carrier will provide you a similar form to submit to begin receiving their download files. If your carrier does not send through Ivans, they will walk you through installing their downloader software, or perhaps accessing the download files from their website. As they begin to process your order for downloads, each carrier will likely send you a list of codes, coverages, and perhaps writing companies to add to the management system. The only thing required within our systems is the company to be listed in the company code table. It is helpful to have the main NAIC code listed on this company code, which will automatically select the company as you open their suspense file, but this is not a requirement. We will go over this in greater detail during the processing downloads tutorial. After purchase of the download module, agency software will assist in the installation of the download manager and suspense manager, as well as creating a shortcut to a downloads folder, where we will direct all non-Ivans download files. While setting up downloader software for these companies who do not send through Ivans, simply ask the carrier to direct the files to the folder accessed by this shortcut. The download module can only be loaded to a single workstation, as Ivans records the machine from which you access your mailbox and sends only to that particular machine. If you wish to change the workstation from which you receive downloads, Ivans or agency software must reset the machine ID through the Ivans control panel. The next machine you access your mailbox from will then be set as the single receiving machine. This concludes the Getting Started tutorial. Continue on to the Processing Downloads tutorial to see the download process in action and to learn the day-to-day download procedure.